Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Mohan. In this video, I'm going to talk about more instructions in microcontrollers. Contents of this video are, first I'm going to give an introduction and then talk about types of move instructions. Then I'm going to talk about immediate values and shift operations and their examples. Then I'm going to talk about key points and lastly conclusion. So first, in the introduction, it is the simplest ARM instructions. Moving instructions in microcontrollers refers to the operations that transfer data between different locations, such as between registers, from memory to registers, or vice versa. It forms the basis for most data manipulation and processing tasks. These operations are fundamental in programming microcontrollers and are typically used in assembly language. So coming to basic move instructions, that is types, in microcontrollers, the MOV and MVN instructions are fundamental for data manipulation and control flow. They are commonly used in assembly language programming for various microcontroller architectures such as ARM, PIC, and others. So coming to MOV, that is move instruction, the move instruction is used to transfer data from one register to another or to load an immediate value into a register. It doesn't alter the data. It simply copies it to the destination. The syntax of this move instruction is MOV RD, operand 2. RD is destination register and operand 2 is the source operand, which can be a register or an immediate value. Coming to the description, it copies a value of operand 2 to RD. Going to an example, move R1, R2, which moves the contents from R1 to R2. So the next is MVN, that is move not. The MVN instruction transfers the bitwise inverse complement of the source operand to the destination register. This means that every bit in the source operand is inverted, that is zeros become ones and ones become zeros before being moved to the destination. Syntax of MVN is MVN RD, operand 2, where RD is destination register and operand 2 is the source operand, which can be a register or an immediate value. Coming to the description of MVN, it performs a bitwise NOT on operand 2 and stores the result in RD. And an example for this is MVN R1, R2, where R1 stores the negated value of R2. Coming to the immediate values, for the MOV and MVN instructions, you can also use immediate values. For example, MOV R1, hash 10 will make R1 store the value 10. Coming to shift operations, you can also include shift operations as part of the operand in MOV and similar instructions. Example, here's a syntax that says MOV RD, RM shift hash shift amount. And an example for this is MOV R1, R2, LSL hash 2, where R1 stores the LSL of the R2. Register to register transfer. Here we'll see MOV R1, R2, where it copies the contents of R2 to R1. And next is immediate to register transfer, where MOV R1, hash 0x01 copies the contents of R2 to R1. So examples for MOV is MOV R0, R1, where it moves the value in register R1 to register R0. Second example for MOV is MOV R2, hash 10, where it loads the immediate value 10 into register 2. Coming to examples for MVN, MVN R0, R1, where it moves the bitwise inverse of the value in register R1 to register R0. And the second example for MVN is MVN R2, hash 0x0f, where it loads the bitwise inverse of the immediate value 0x0f into register R2. R2 equals 0x f0. So coming to the key points of this video, MOV is used for direct data transfer without modification and MVN is used for transferring the bitwise NOT of the source operand. These instructions are essential for basic operations in microcontroller programming, enabling control over data flow and manipulation at a lower level. So, conclusion is understanding these instructions is crucial for efficient microcontroller programming, especially in resource constrained environments where direct hardware manipulation is necessary. These instructions allow for precise control over data manipulation, enabling the microcontroller to perform complex tasks. The move instruction is a fundamental building block in assembly programming for microcontrollers, facilitating data transfer essential for virtually all types of operations. So here it says that coding is really important for ARM architecture operations. Thank you.